Oh, hi guys. Hey, we're gonna do another walk the lot. Let's check out some cool rides. Look at that bad boy. You know, you wanna say we've got trucks, we've got trucks, we've got all kinds of trucks. This isn't a real truck, but they call it a truck. Pretty cool. Pro 4 times, whatever that means. But it is actually kind of nice. If you want a fake truck, you know what I'm saying? Nice car though. It's a 17 cloth interior. It actually smells good. Oh, well, let me see if it's open. Oh, it's locked. Doesn't smell like smoke, I don't think. But that's on the inside. I'm on the outside. But kind of cool. Cool seating. Cool tires. Yeah. Not bad. Let's see what else we got. Got this car. This is a new one. Check that out. It's got the off-road package. No, but that thing will clean up. We'll make it nice. RS package. Bam. Got a little dent right there. I think we can get that out. A nice interior. I don't know if you can see that. Automatic leather. Black wheels. Cool. RS. Oh, this truck is Jared's. Don't touch it. He's got trucks. This Malibu's got to be a car. Oh, yeah. We bought that. Sold, it says. It's probably a 16. Yep, there it is. Malibu, limited silver. Cool interior. Dirty. But it'll make a nice, cheap car. I told you that. Look at Jared's car. We still have this Malibu. We're getting through the shop. Got another Malibu getting through the shop off lease. This is one of my favorites. Lucerne, what a ride. It's actually a Supra. So it's got the big 8 in it. The big wheels. That thing has the ride of all rides. Pow. Dual exhaust. Real low miles, 60. 61 owner. That's about it. There's another Camaro. It's back in service, but I'll have to get that on clip number 3 of the lot walk. So, all right, guys, see ya.